Want to take a break from social media or delete your Facebook account permanently using your iPhone? Here is a simple step-by-step guide. First, open the Facebook app. Tap on the menu icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Next, scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. Tap on Account Center to manage your account settings. Scroll down within the Account Center and tap on Manage Accounts. Select your specific Facebook account to manage your account. Finally, tap on Deactivation or Deletion. Choose whether you want to temporarily deactivate or permanently delete your account, and follow the on-screen prompts to confirm. And that's how you manage your Facebook account status. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more guides. Thanks for watching.